Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete an order pick task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll receive a pick task. Open the pick task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task home page. For a single order pick task, you will see Pick by Order Pick on the top corner. Press the Start Picking button to begin the task. Press the first step to pick. And remember to make sure you are on the work page. Next, go to the suggested location and click the location link or scan the location barcode to start picking. If there's no inventory in this location, press Next Location to get a new suggestion. Scan the pallet ID, SKU number, or UPC and input the picked quantity. Then, scan or print a new label for a pallet or box for picked items. Next, submit the pick step. If there are more items that need to be picked, continue to finish all and then close step. Once the pick step is done, start the stage step. Scan or select the staging location and scan the picked pallet or box to stage. Once this has been completed, you may select Close Step. Then go back to Task Homepage and select Close Task. The task is now finished. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.